Hi, this is Scarlett Sanchez with another book talk featuring the book Dancing Hands, How Teresa Carreno Played the Piano for President Lincoln. Can you imagine that? Entertaining a president with your talent? Well, that's exactly what Teresa Carreno did. Now, Teresa is from Venezuela, and she is an extremely talented little girl. She learned how to play the piano when she was very, very little. At 6 years old, she was already able to write her own songs. A couple years go by, and her family is having to leave their home country in Venezuela, and they're having to go to the United States due to the revolution that was going on in Venezuela. Well, little do they know that things aren't exactly in the best of times in the United States as they enter the Civil War. So Teresa just keeps on going, and even though this is a very unsettling time in her life, she just keeps on going with her music, and she becomes even more talented, and her reputation is just talked about by so many in such positive ways. She's known as the piano girl, and everybody's talking about this piano girl, and by this time she's only 10 years old. Well, she is able to be known by President Abraham Lincoln. He hears about her, and he invites her to go and visit the White House and to play for him over there at the White House. And she's just very surprised and cannot believe that she's a young little girl and is able to go and perform such an amazing task. Well, Teresa Carreno is faced with some fears and some challenges along the way in this story. It's such a beautiful story of this young girl and how she inspires others. Read about it. Not only does she inspire people through her music, through her talent, there are other ways that she's very inspirational to others, and you definitely want to check it out so that you can find out everything about Teresa Carreno.